So here I am in Linux. Let's go ahead and open up Genie. Let's talk about Genie. Sometimes I want to do customizations to Genie, and so one of the places that you would want to go if you want to do personal customizations is click on the Edit menu and then choose Preferences. The Preferences menu appears, and then you can choose lots of different options. You can preference the general settings, the actual interface, the editor itself, files, tools, templates. Under templates, notice I've placed my username as developer, my initials, my email address, which actually I'm going to change to my other account. I'd like you to put in company, Computer Science 2016-17. Put in your username, or for developer, your name, and then your initials, along with your email address. Company will be Computer Science 2016/17. The initial version will always be a beta, and then leave the year, date, and time alone. You can also modify how your terminal looks if you want to. So I'm going to hit Apply, I'm going to hit OK. Now your window may not quite look like this, but I have a bar down here, and so if your bar is like that, you want to drag it open like so. And then one of the buttons here should be Terminal. So I can actually see now the terminal window. I can see the Linux environment. So ls, and right now I'm inside of my Documents folder, inside of Java, inside of my folder named Chapter 1. If I type ls, I can see I have two files here, NumberGuessingGame.java and NumberGuessingGame.class. You are only going to have NumberGuessingGame.java. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to compile a Java file. Compiling a Java file translates the Java file, what you typed, into what's called Java bytecode. The bytecode is interpreted by the Java virtual machine. So the way that you do that is you type javac, which stands for Java compile, and then you type in the name of the file. I'm going to use autocomplete and hit the tab key, and then hit enter, and everything compiles just fine. So you have to have javac, then the name of the file, .java. So you must have the Java extension. Now when I type ls, what just happened is it generated a .class file. If you do that, you're now going to have a .class file. A .class file is now a compiled program. So the JVM can actually run the game. To run the game, I can now type Java with no C, NumberGuessingGame, but no extension at the end. So do not type .class. Do not type it. Hit enter, and the game's begun. Guess the number I've chosen. Choose a number between 1 and 10 inclusive. I'll choose 3. I got it! Wow, I wasn't expecting that. Let me run it again. I'll choose 7. Ah, I didn't get it. So now the program taunts me. I know TI calculators that can guess better than you. Now to actually see the program, I'm going to go to File, Open, and then even though it's right here, I'm going to show you to navigate Documents, Java, Chapter 1, and then NumberGuessingGame.java. And so here is the actual Java file. At the beginning, everything here is in a block comment. A block comment. It gives me basic information that I wanted to give about the name of the file, who wrote it, my email address, its purpose, and what the input is and what the output is. So to do a block comment, you begin by typing a / and a star, and notice the moment I did that, everything else is now become a comment as well. So to end a block comment, I do a star and then a /. And so I can type in entire paragraphs that take up a comment for entire paragraphs. But let's say I want to comment on a single line. So right here on line number 23, or line number 22, is where I make a comment about what I'm doing on line number 23. This is the actual place where I generate the random number. And so this is called an inline comment. So to do an inline comment, you type 2 forward slashes right here. So okay, we're going to discuss the software development lifecycle. Now the software development lifecycle is composed of several parts. The first part is analysis. The second part is design. The third part is implementation. The next part is integration. And the final part is, let me spell this right, maintenance. So that's what we're going to talk about today. God bless you, wherever you are today.